Ken Cho, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the most favorite and special video. Of course, it's going to be outfit from scratch. I way too much love doing this series. Outfit from scratch series is my most favorite. I think I do that 3 to 4 times a year or so. And today's is going to be outfit from scratch Navratri edition. Yes guys, I know I am way too late in this world. I don't know what am I doing, but still enjoy this video. Y'all can still make this for the last day or the second last day, or maybe for next year. Pre-video हो जाएगा फिर आप लोगों के लिए ये. But yeah, it's simple, it's very budget friendly, and it's purely out of scratch. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So by now y'all already know what is the process for doing outfit from scratch. First y'all need to think what you want to do. Second will be the outfit sourcing. Third will be giving it to the tailor, and fourth will be the finale look. So for this time Navratri, I wanted to do something which is little Indo-Western and quirky. So I thought of doing a denim jacket full of Navratri vibes and also a sneaker जो नवरात्रि में हो, because usually we remove our footwears because it's not comfortable to wear sandals or मोजड़ी. वो पैर बाहर आ ही जाता है when you want to do like a fast step. So I thought कि ये सारी like wedding के लिए भी आजकल लोग sneakers पे पूरा वो embroidery वगैरह करवा रहे हैं. So I really wanted to do that. I did went to Tirumala and I checked the prices over there was 2,500 for freaking shoe. And it was simple, इतना over the top भी नहीं था. So I thought why not just do it myself, and that too in the budget of just rupees 500 to 550. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं गया. After that was the jacket. Jacket also I sourced it from online. मैंने कुछ 350 में जैकेट लिया था एंड अगेन 200 फॉर द मटेरियल. सो अगेन वो भी कुछ 550 to 600 के ब्रैकेट में आ जा रहा है. आई ऑल्सो डिड माई ब्लाउज विच इज आउटफिट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. मैंने ऐसे हॉल्टर नेक सा एक फैंसी सा ब्लाउज करवाया है. सो देन वॉट आई डिड वॉज आई न्यू वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू डू. ऑनेस्टली दिस टाइम आई डिडंट वेंट टू Pinterest मच टू लुक बिकॉज आई समहाउ न्यू कि मुझे क्या करना है. एंड वो सेम लेस पैचेस वगैरह डिफिकल्ट था थोड़ा मिलना. सो आई जस्ट हैड एन ओवरऑल आइडिया. सो आई ऑर्डर द शूज जैकेट एंड आई ऑलरेडी हैड ब्लैक मटीरियल जो मेरे डिजाइनिंग टाइम से पड़ा था. आई वॉज जस्ट सर्चिंग फॉर फ्यू थिंग्स एंड आई फाउंड दैट मटीरियल 1 मीटर विच वॉज मोर देन इनफ फॉर माई ब्लाउज. सो या दैट वॉज द ओवरऑल थिंग. ब्लाउज मैंने डिजाइन ब्लाउज की येस आई सर्च फ्रॉम Pinterest. So I'll pop few images what was in my mind, how I wanted it to be. My top first thing was I wanted it to be backless. Yes, मुझे ऐसे पूरी ऐसी फीलिंग चाहिए थी. ब्लैक कलर का ऐसे बैकलेस सा ब्लाउज चाहिए था. Then I went and these are the few images that were in my mind, and then you all need to wait till the end to see कि कौन सी डिजाइन मैंने एक्चुअली पिक की है. So that step was done. Then हमने ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी चीजें कर ली थी. मटीरियल सोर्सिंग was done. The final thing was giving it to the tailor, the blouse and the jacket and shoes. I did it myself. So I'll just insert the clips over here where I'm doing my jacket and my shoes. Jacket भी मैंने खुद लेस वगैरह स्टिच किया है मशीन से. Go and enjoy the struggle I was doing with the machine. saw was me doing the shoes. So this is what the shoe looks right now like. But I feel like कि मुझे और cover करना है. So I was saying that this is what I have done so far with the shoes. I was thinking कि मैं इतना ही करूँगी, I won't do उसके आगे. But then dad was like कि नीचे पूरा ये खराब हो ही जाएगा since it's white shoe and then I can't clean because ये lace work and already सब कुछ रहेगा तो. So now I'm thinking to cover the whole shoes but not in a way कि वो too much दिखे but something creative way also. Also यहाँ पे कुछ अजीबो गरीब ब्रांड का नेम लिखा है. So main thing I want to cover that first because it's not looking nice at all. It's not just the shoes we need to cover, we are also doing my denim jacket. So I also ordered this jacket online and then we are also doing my dad's kurta. So this is the kurta we want to do and then we are also doing my blouse. I already have given it to the tailor with the design and everything. मैंने एक बड़ा वाला पैच भी दिया उसमें लगाने के लिए and फिर वो बन के आता है. It actually came but there was slight changes with the patch. So I had given first the circle one but my bust part is already heavy so it wasn't looking really nice. So then we went ahead with the square one but then उसको हमने ऐसे की जगह पे ऐसे लगाने के लिए बोला है so that the diamond shape kind काजू कतरी जैसा shape आ जाएगा. And then around the neck I'm thinking कि थोड़ा ऐसा वाला या ये कोडी वाला मैं लगा दूंगी and I will see, will make the blouse little more creative and fancy. So वो मैंने फिर से change के लिए भेजा है टेलर के पास. So that is done. So today's task will be today's first day of Navratri. So bear in mind कि ये सब बहुत last minute and quick हो रहा है. So आप भी कर सकते हो. I'll try to upload this video by tomorrow. Second thing, we are also doing the belt. आजकल ऐसे टाइप के फैब्रिक टाइप के बेल्ट्स बहुत ट्रेंडी है. सो ये लेस या ऐसी और भी लेस है. वी हैव द सर्कल वन एज वेल एंड देन वी हैव दीज टू लेसेस. एंड मैंने उसके पास से ये डोरी ली थी. इट वॉज कुछ 5 या 10 रुपीज मीटर और समथिंग. सो दैट फॉर द टाइम पार्ट. So these are the things we are keeping in mind and we have a lot to do. So let's just get to it. Guys, this is dad's kurta and we are planning to go for the huge patch at the very back. यहाँ पे पीछे अच्छा लगेगा ये. मैं like काजू कतरी shape like this we can place it over here middle में तो it will look really full and पूरा अच्छा लगेगा ये वाला. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of outfit from scratch. Shoes done. Now we are going to do dad's kurta today and my denim jacket. So yeah, let's go. We are going to my neighbor's place because that auntie has a stitching machine and rather than doing the hand stitch I thought the machine stitch would be much quicker and easier. So yeah, let's go and complete this outfit. So guys, this is the machine. Now first we are doing with the belt, this one. So this is the machine I'm doing. I just took measurement of the belt and we'll start with the belt. This machine is old and मुझे machine चलाए हो गए हैं कुछ 3 years approx. So I don't know any machine. भी पुराना मॉडल है. जो मैंने डिज़ाइनिंग में सीखा था वो तो नहीं है. So now let's see. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. That's why I'm starting with the belt and not with the jacket directly. So let's see how it goes. So guys, the belt is done. It was freaking very difficult to use this foot machine. मैंने जो किया है वो normal machine है, zup करके चला जाता है. But this is the foot one, so to balance the hand and the foot it's very difficult. But yeah, somehow I managed to complete a belt in like 15 minutes. So now I don't know how much time the jacket and the kurta will take. Attaching this particular lace in the collar over here like so, and then I'll put one big patch at the back. मैंने measurements ले लिया है कि dad को कहाँ पे it should come right at the center of the back, तो मैंने उस हिसाब से ले लिया है. So yeah, another 50 minutes for this now. Lace I'm using for the back part, so this lace will come over there, and then I'll stick few patches and all. So here is a little sneak peek in the jacket. This is how colorful and pretty it's turned out. This time I went for little simple one. I still am planning to do a lot more, but for next year, abhi ke liye I wanted to keep this much only, and then I wanted to sort of upgrade it. So every year we'll add or remove few things and just make it new. So guys, that's how the whole outfit and everything was curated. You have already seen the BTS. Now of course you all are waiting for the final result. So here you go. Guys, I made jacket, shoes and a blouse. I made it simple but yet interesting, and I didn't went through Pinterest. Same goes to y'all. Y'all can also buy a jacket, and according to the neckline and everything, the bag, the streams and everything, y'all can still decide how you want it. Of course the budget will vary because I bought a plain lace with shells and pom-poms, so that was what 30 rupees a meter. But if y'all are going for a thicker lace, then it will be 80 to 100 rupees meter. The patches might be different prices, depends from what market you are purchasing, so everything matters. So these are the wholesale rates I am giving it to y'all because I went to a special market to buy everything. I also sourced the jacket and shoes and went through sales and everything. I was lucky enough that Amazon and Flipkart का sale उस time चल रहा था. So I found a pretty good deal, and let me tell you guys, the shoes quality is not that great. I knew I will only wear it for Navratri and I'm not removing the patches and everything I stuck on it. So I went for a much cheaper, like normal quality. And yeah, y'all can decide for your own, and then the budget will vary from person to person. But mine was under this budget. I'll put everything in the description, and I hope you like this video. Next time, I promise I'll try to create it way earlier. I promise this time. But yeah, I hope you love this video. Comment down what was your favorite garment, shoes, jacket or blouse. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Next outfit from series is also coming for Diwali, so stay tuned for that. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.